I'm standing here in the middle of my corn, and today I intend to harvest at least some of it. As you can see, the painted mountain corn is actually starting to mature here, I think. We actually tried to eat some of them. We got to some of them while they're still in the milky stage, but that passes quite quickly, so we're already earning their name of flint corn here. They're quite hard. Not all of them, but still. And the birds are getting to them. The birds have found them now, so if I want to get anything for myself, I better take care of them. Now, the thing with my painted mountain corn, it's quite easy to grow. I mean, they've tried now, and they actually don't have a problem with just a little water. So they grow very well, and you can start them quite early, but it's a flint corn and it's a flour corn, so it's not really the best for eating, like boiling and eating like corn on the cob. For that I have my Golden Bantam. They look really nice too, so I actually think they're ready. I'm going to take some home today. But the painted mountain corn, not really sure what to do with them. Seems like I'm getting quite a lot this year, and I for a long time intended to get some sort of kitchen mill, flour mill. See if I can actually fit that into the budget this year and make some corn flour. It would be interesting to see what it looks like when baking with colorful seeds. I'm going to pick a few of these and we'll open them up and you can see what they look like. So let's open this one. It's a reddish brown and purple one. They seem to come in different combinations. Some are more yellow and blue, and some of them are more red. Look at that. That's very nice. And when you boil them, some of the color disappears, but it dyes the water. Look at that. Okay, it's interesting. Not sure if you can see that, but looks like it's actually germinated. It started growing on the cob. That's something I know happens with wheat and cereals when they look, yeah, root and all. That happens with the cereals if they get left in the field for too long in the rain. Would have figured that it could happen to corn and maize as well, but considering the amount of rain we had this summer, I wouldn't have expected one. I mean, just a few days ago, I was a little concerned that by picking them before they turned brown and the stalks actually withered down, that they would have matured enough to germinate. But looks like it's not a problem. I really want these for seeds next year, so I don't want to be too hasty in taking them. I'd probably make flour out of them anyway, but I want something for seeds. Well, that was interesting. I'll have to see if there's more of that going on. That's an interesting one. It looks like we have a different color here. Let's take a look. Right, let's take a look at this one. I also wanted to show you what I do. Well, I was a bit hasty when opening the last one, because if I want to store them and keep them for seed, and actually just for drying, I usually do this. I only peel them about that far. You could do without this part. So, and we can tie them up on a string or a beam or something like that for storage. It's a traditional way of doing it, I understand. So this is a bit different color. Could probably boil this up and eat it. A bit starchy, but probably would be okay for that anyway. Some other colors, more bluish, definitely more yellow, orange, sort of a pattern on them. Couldn't tell which one I think it's nicer. It's very, it's fun to grow when you get things like this. This one wasn't a very big one. Still, very nice. I don't know how much it matters, but when I sow them I try to sow all the different colors. Not sure if it makes any difference. I'll have to consider it and just keep it in mind when I harvest the rest of them and see if there are different colors on different plants. If you can get one of those and one of those from the same stalk. Haven't really thought about that before. Might as well take a look at the Golden Bantam. This seems a little precarious, so I already decided to harvest this one. So, just take a look. Look at that. That's see if I can get just a little bit more open. It's quite soft and nice. And probably missed that. See if I can get it on. Yeah. It's high time to take them. Almost yellow milk, but I'm just not going to take it right away. I'm going to leave it until just before I go. I'm going to take it straight home and boil it. Apparently the sugars start to convert to starch really quickly, so it loses about half of the sugar in 4 hours after you harvested them. So just take it and go home and boil it as quick as you can. And that's what I intend to do. Here we have 40 odd ears of painted mountain corn. Some very interesting color variations, as always. Not sure it comes through properly, but this is a very brown one. Not sure I've seen anything quite like that before. Some more orange, the red ones, very nice. Some with quite a lot of blue. Look at this one, that's another one. And more with germinated seeds. I wasn't sure if I was going to take all of them, but when I found some more that actually germinated, I decided to take them all. Not really sure how that happened. It's been so dry, and we had one thunderstorm about a week ago, just a few days ago actually. Not sure that's what led to it. If it came down so hard, it actually got into the ears, and because they do look almost a bit moldy or something. I'm not sure if that's what it is. They're very definitely growing. Well, it's actually starting to rain again, so before I go, I'm going to take one of these. Actually, perhaps a few more, but let's open this one. Yeah, I like the painted mountain ones, but for just boiling up and eating, this is the best. This one looks a bit short, but very nice. Well, since it's raining, I'm about to head home. Let's just call this middle of August update, and we'll see if I make some more before August's over. It just depends on how much time I get here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.